What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. Thanks for coming out. Today I'm smoking up a chub of Bologna. So picture this, you're 12 years old, it's a Saturday morning, you go outside, you meet your friends down the street, you have a full day of causing a ruckus, you come home in the late afternoon, you're tired and you're hungry. And there it is, right on a paper plate, on some Wonder Bread with a slice of American cheese, a beautiful fried bologna sandwich. Man, that just brings back some memories, doesn't it? Doesn't it just sound amazing? Yes, it does. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to smoke up this chub of Bologna, put it in the sandwiches. It's gonna be prime. So what we're gonna do first is score our chub. We're gonna help that smoke really get in there and stick to this Bologna, and we're just gonna do it on an angle. So we'll show you what we're doing right here. You start at the top and just slowly score your Bologna, and you're gonna do that all the way around. Don't gotta be perfect, just wanna get that good angle. One more. Nice. Now you're gonna wanna do the same thing in the other direction. Nice, and that'll do it. Just go about an inch, 2 inches in between your spacing. So now what we're gonna do is rub down our chub with some mustard for a binder. You're not really gonna taste it, just gonna help our rub stick to our chub. That'll do. And now for our rub, we're using some Miso Horny Rub Your Chub All-Purpose Spice Blend. I have a chub that I'm gonna rub with Rub Your Chub. So we're rubbing your chub on our chub. The stars, they're just aligning. Everything just feels right. Just layer it on. Awesome. Pat it down. Get a little messy. Don't matter none. Get your rub that didn't stick. Put it on there. Nice. Our Bologna is looking good. That's all she wrote. Let's go pop it in the smoker. All right, y'all. So we're out here at the Grilla Grill Silverbac. We got it going at 250 degrees. I'm using pecan pellets from Bear Mountain Barbecue to fuel up this smoke. I'm also taking my Shark Outdoor smoker box, taking some pellets out of the hopper, charring them up and let them smoke good for a few minutes, then adding some more pecan wood chips to the box to get some more smoke flavor on this chub. There's not much to it when we're smoking up a chub of Bologna. We're just letting the smoker ride for 2.5 hours, so when we hit that time, we'll come back out and get to the next step. Our Bologna has been smoking for 2.5 hours. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, very nice. We have some great color on our Bologna. I'm pretty sure that a 5-year-old could have scored it better, but put it to the side here. We're gonna crank up our Silverbac, set it up to 450. Got a cast iron skillet, because now we're gonna cut and sear some of our Bologna slices. So while that's heating up, getting nice and hot, we can slice down our Bologna. You can get those slices nice and thick. Nice. So we have our bologna sliced up. We waited a few minutes. Be patient, let your smoker get nice and hot. Have that cast iron right there. Take some butter. Oh yeah. Toss in your Bologna slices. So what you're gonna wanna do is let your bologna fry for about a minute on each side. So just do that for all of your slices, then we'll pull them and eat. I have all of my fixings here to make my Bologna sandwich. Some great color after we put our slices on the cast iron to get that true fried Bologna experience. Got a couple grill marks there right on the end of our chub. Got my Wonder Bread, my American cheese. I am ready to feast. And I'm just gonna get my sandwich. Get a couple slices of Bologna here. Two slices of American cheese. Get that must. That's it, wasting no time. Diving right into our smoked fried Bologna sandwich. So good. That tastes just like I remember it. Man, that smoked bologna, I'm taking my sandwich bar here. The smoked Bologna itself. Good smoked flavor, that rub, that meets the horny rub your chub on your chub. Perfect for bologna. It just came out perfect. We smoked our chub for 2.5 hours at 250. Then we got that cast iron, cranked up the Grilla Grill Silverbac, seared our Bologna and fried it up for about a minute on each side. You got your Wonder Bread, you got your American cheese, you got your must. That's all I put on my bologna sandwiches. And just, so good, just so good. Probably with my mouth full. Making a mess. I don't care. If you never smoked up a chub of Bologna, go get you one from your local grocery store. Again, this one was just over 4 pounds, 4.5 pounds. I have a lot of bologna sandwiches to eat. Get your chub, score it up, rub on your favorite rub, put it in the smoker, slice it up, sear it, fry it, sandwich. You're gonna love it. Thanks for coming out. Stay tuned for the next video. Smoked bologna.